All right there, YouTubers, I ain't got my cameraman today, so what I'm going to show you here is this Choppers Build Off challenge that Mark Choppersrule1 Jones, YouTuber and Instagrammer there, has challenged his subscribers to. Was a build off challenge is something to build out of scrap metal, anything you had around the house or wood or whatever the case may be. We are, me and my brother, I was going to build a plastic layer is what I know to call it, and this is what we're going to use as our pattern. But you put a roll of plastic here on these two shiny rolls right here, and your dirt's already worked up for your garden and stuff. Let me get out of my sun so I can see him. That little shoe over there and the one on this side here fuddles the dirt and makes you a heel. Well, that plastic comes off of that and runs down over top of that heel, and them two wheels and all that, and them two disc blades put dirt back over the edge of the plastic, so you have a ridge now to plant your plants in that you don't have to worry about weeding, because that plastic keeps the weeds down. You only poke a hole in the plastic for what you're planting. This tube here and this piece here is to actually put an irrigation tube down in the heel as you're laying it. So this is our pattern to go off of. This is a factory built one. And here around the farm we've got all kinds of scrap. So let me show you a little bit of what we're going to use here. We've always got something to use on the farm. I've got an old 3-point hitch disc frame. I'm going to show you that, and that's what's going to be our basis. Alright, here's Chopper's Build Off challenge. Here's his next step on disassembling the old disc frame down to the bare frame, and we're going to cut that length of tube here out and start putting our cross members in this direction. Alrighty. Here's my brother-in-law. Alright, here is our scrap metal we'll use for cross members. You can see thickness. We've got another piece right here, and we might get into this one if we have to for our plastic layer.